In this video, I'm going to show you how to make battery last longer on Samsung Galaxy. There are various ways to conserve the battery of a specific device, but for this video, we'll be utilizing Samsung Galaxy's built-in feature dedicated to make battery last longer. To do this, simply navigate to Settings application. In Settings application, scroll down to Battery section. In here, this will provide you a complete overview and take concise details regarding the current state and health of your battery. For now, the current battery of this phone will last for 15 hours and 49 minutes. If we turn on the power saving mode, which is located on the top section, and turn on the toggle button on the right side of this, as you can see, from 15 hours, it moved to 20 hours and 43 minutes, which means that due to power mode, we are able to make the battery last longer. This feature is available to most Samsung Galaxy devices. And that's about it. That's how to make battery last longer on Samsung Galaxy. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.